Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your GIS News for Wednesday, August 24. 1,200 land titles will be distributed within the next 7 months under a Memorandum of Understanding between the Land Administration and Management Program LAMP and the Development Bank of Jamaica DBJ. As part of that process, over 220 persons from across the country became new landowners in a titling ceremony at Jamaica House yesterday.
We are seeking to empower all Jamaicans with a renewed sense of ownership and pride in Jamaica by ensuring that each person has a title for their land. We want every Jamaica to have a vested interest in building Jamaica, land we love.
With $90 million in funding support from the DBJ, LAMP assists beneficiaries acquire land titles, which includes covering incidental costs such as surveying. The Prime Minister says a draft bill amending the Registration of Titles Cadastral Mapping and Tenure Clarification Special Provisions Act is being finalized to strengthen the work of LAMP's adjudication committees. It should make the law more culturally relevant so that recognition is given to the manner in which many landowners give, buy and sell land.
LAMP will continue its mandate to conduct cadastral mapping, tenure clarification and regularization in project areas, and subsequently reduce the number of unregistered parcels of land, thereby bringing them into the formal sector.
Government is advancing work to develop the port of Montego Bay into a regional multipurpose port. Minister with responsibility for economic growth and job creation, Dr. Horace Chang, says it is symbolic of the move towards development with a berth dedicated to cargo and additional berths for cruise shipping.
Cargo will of course be largely domestic cargo. We are not seeking to convert Montego Bay to a container terminal in any way. We'll be able to unload containers as we improve and expand the port and make it into a modern national facility. It will be largely dedicated to domestic. But there'll be direct shipping here, and of course the opportunity by our business personnel to not only import but export to other Caribbean islands and in the Central America region.
Dr. Chan was addressing the media during a recent tour of the liquefied natural gas LNG facility at the Montego Bay port. The LNG fuel terminal is the first of its kind in the Caribbean and is being implemented at a cost of about $170 million US. Much of the natural gas to be received there from the United States will supply the JPS Bogue plant. Meanwhile, work is proceeding as planned for the creation of a perimeter road to address current and anticipated traffic from increased economic activities in the Montego Bay area.
Major effort is being made. We expect to complete the feasibility during the course of this financial year so we can look at construction early.
Minister Chang says government will ensure that necessary funding is in place, not just for the perimeter road, but also to improve arterial roads linking various communities in Montego Bay. Several learning institutions will start the academic year with new school furniture, courtesy of a donation from a US-based non-profit organization. The Joseph Assignment Global Initiative made the donation to the Ministry of Education on Tuesday. It comprised approximately 1,000 pieces of student desks and chairs, which will be distributed to schools island-wide.
Jamaica is such a wonderful nation with great people, and the Joseph Assignment is committed to the transformation of lives throughout the world. We are excited to be here to partner with you for the betterment of your youth.
The Joseph Assignment Global Initiative helps to address global issues by providing medical assistance, housing, schools, water, and other basic amenities to the less fortunate in several countries. As part of its humanitarian efforts, the local chapter will also host its second annual Health and Back to School Fair in Riverton and Hannahtown later this week. And finally, 160 children in state care who were successful in this year's Grade 6 Achievement and Grade 9 Achievement tests have been recognized for their effort by the Child Development Agency, CDA. The honorees were all presented with certificates of achievement, while the top GSAT girl and boy across the CDA's 4 regions were awarded trophies for their academic achievement. During the ceremony, which included motivational talks for the children and parents, the students also received back-to-school packages consisting of books and other supplies. The ceremony was held at the Jamaica Conference Center last Thursday.
We believe that each of you in this room represents the future of Jamaica. We are here to support and encourage you. You have demonstrated academic excellence, and we expect that you will continue on this path.
And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.